If you want to share an article from MSN, this tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it on any browser. Whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or even a tablet browser, the steps are simple and only take a few seconds once you know where to look. This is a great way to send interesting news, useful stories, or trending articles to friends, family, or coworkers. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to msn.com in the address bar and press enter. That will take you directly to the MSN homepage. When the page loads, you'll see a wide range of articles, headlines, and featured stories. Now take a moment to look for the article you want to share. You can scroll through the page until you find something interesting, or click into a section if you're looking for a specific topic like news, sports, entertainment, or finance. Once you've found the article you want, hover over it with your mouse. On MSN, the sharing options are usually hidden until you move your cursor over the article. After hovering, look for the three dots at the top of the article. This is the menu button that gives you more actions for that story. Click on the three dots and a small menu should appear. From that menu, click Share. After that, MSN will show you a list of sharing options. Depending on your browser and device, you may see options like email, social media apps, copy link, or other installed sharing tools. Now choose where you want to share the article to. If you want to send it directly to someone, you can pick a messaging app or email. If you want to post it publicly, you can choose a social platform. And if you just want to save the link for later, you may be able to copy it from the share options. Once you select your sharing method, follow the on-screen prompts to finish sharing the article. In just a few clicks, you've shared an MSN article without needing any extra tools or complicated steps. It really is that easy. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.